Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi. This is an unboxing wireless earbuds with 5.3 Bluetooth and mini deep bass stereo sound. I got these earbuds because I saw many good review about them, and I thought I would give them a try. The wireless earbuds use the Bluetooth 5.3 chipset, which has a faster and more stable transmission signal, with low latency without interruptions. Even if you put the mobile phone in your pocket, the Bluetooth earbuds will not be disconnected, as the connection distance is up to 33 feet. The wireless headphones adopts dual 13.0mm, low distortion composite dynamic drivers with high-resolution decoder built in, and AAC-SBC audio coding technology. In addition, the ENC calling noise cancellation technology brings a clearer sound to your calls, giving you a whole better sound. There is an LED display on the charging case that shows you the charge level of the case as well as the in-ear Bluetooth headphones, so you can precisely control the charge level of your headset for your convenience on the go. In addition, you can free your hands to make phone calls, switch songs and adjust the volume with a touch of the Bluetooth wireless earbuds, making life so much easier. The battery lasts for 6 hours of use on just one charge, and the charging case can support up to 30 hours of use all day long. The wireless sports earbuds can be fully charged within an hour by using the USB-C cable. They are IP7 waterproof for dust and rain, so you can exercise with them without ruining them. They actually sound very good. I am quite impressed. Very good range of sound which doesn't seem to distort. They seem to hold charge a long time. A good in-ear fit and easy to pair to your device once you bother to read the instructions. Compared to other earbuds, I think these are great value for money. I also own Apple's AirPods Pro 1st and 2nd Gen. Somehow they don't work with my Apple Watch Series 8. Although I update them several times, they still play for a few seconds and they stop. These headphones play normally with my Apple Watch and they sound fantastic. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.